The history of our planet is not a smooth, continuous line. It is a highly volatile sequence of complete system reboots that have been recorded directly into the bedrock beneath our feet. Most of what we assume about Earth's stability is completely contradicted by deep geological core variables. When you look below the surface layer, you find clear mechanical evidence of a completely different planet. Deep within the oldest continental crust structures, known as cratons, geologists have isolated physical anomalies that indicate the planet was once entirely fluid. Massive tectonic shifts did not just move land masses, they completely recycled the ocean floors every few 100 million years. This means the oldest parts of our current ocean floor are surprisingly young, completely wiping away the physical records of ancient eras. The hidden data gets even more extreme when you analyze ancient atmospheric pockets trapped inside solid quartz crystals. These microscopic chemical samples prove that Earth's atmosphere was once completely devoid of oxygen. It was an environment dominated by methane and carbon dioxide. The transition to the air we breathe today was not a slow evolution, but a sudden, violent biological event that wiped out the dominant life forms of that era. This catastrophic shift, known as the Great Oxidation Event, occurred when ancient microscopic organisms began producing oxygen as a waste product. This biological output completely poisoned the existing ecosystem, causing a massive planetary freeze that turned the entire globe into a literal ice ball for millions of years. The evidence of this total system freeze is still visible in deep rock strata globally. As the planet warmed, the structural layout changed again. The movement of tectonic plates is often described as a slow, predictable drift, but magnetic markers in ancient volcanic rocks reveal that the poles have flipped their positions hundreds of times. During these magnetic reversals, the planet's primary shielding system drops significantly, exposing the surface to intense solar radiation variables that alter atmospheric chemistry. Furthermore, deep seismic imaging has recently exposed two massive, unidentifiable structures buried deep within Earth's mantle, sitting directly beneath Africa and the Pacific Ocean. These dense thermal anomalies are the size of entire continents and sit right above the planet's core. Scientists do not know their exact origin, but their presence completely changes how heat and volcanic activity move through the planet's interior. When you look at these geological variables as a massive, ongoing experiment, you realize that humanity is living during a brief, highly unusual period of planetary stability. The physical structures beneath us are constantly moving, processing thermal energy, and preparing for the next inevitable structural adjustment. The record of the past is the only predictable blueprint we have for the future. Understanding the mechanical reality of Earth's deep history changes how you view our current environment. It is an evolving system that has survived complete freezing, atmospheric inversion, and continental recycling. By analyzing the hard data left behind in the rock strata, we decode the actual operational laws of the planet. Tap the screen to follow for more daily operational system breakdowns.